Hey guys, it's Justin from Merchant, and in today's video, we're gonna break down another way that you can use AI platforms to easily market your business or to streamline the operations of your marketing agency. A lot of business owners know the frustration of having to figure out what they should post on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or LinkedIn to stay relevant with their community. And the good news is that instead of having to pay somebody to do this for you now, you can use tools like ChatGPT to write extremely engaging and relevant information for your business. So let's just jump in, pick a random business online, and show you how you can use these tools to easily generate tons of social media posts for your business or for your clients. So to start, we're at Google, and I'm just going to look for plumbers in Los Angeles. And we are just going to pick any plumbing business that we find. All right, let's go with Mike Diamond Services. I'm just going to copy their website URL, and I'm going to go over ChatGPT with browsing enabled, and I'm going to say, please write me 5 extremely engaging social media posts for this business, and then just paste in the URL. And actually, I'm just going to leave it to be the base URL. I'm also going to say that I want this to be very SEO optimized because you really want people to find these posts, or else what are you really posting for? So what I'm going to now add is say, please include at least 2 long tail keywords that are important for SEO for this type of business. And as long as you're on GPT-4 and you have browse with Bing enabled, you can then just put this in, and it's going to search that URL, learn everything there is about that business, and then go and write you these posts using SEO keywords. So here, I'm going to hit go. You can see that GPT is now searching the internet. It clicked on their website and it's thinking. So it's reading everything there is on that website to see the kind of services that they offer, where they offer this service. And now it's trying to figure out exactly what this business does and how it should market it in these social media posts. A big issue with relying on agencies to write social media content is that they don't know your business perfectly, but ChatGPT can based on the information on your website. All right, so here we have it. ChatGPT just read over this business's website. It figured out what's important, and then it found ways to add very important keywords for this business into its social media posts. So if we look here, you can see the first thing it gave us 5 keywords that were most important. In Los Angeles, they're searching for 24-hour emergency plumbing in Los Angeles. And so it's going to use this keyword in this post. And you can see here, it's even pretty creative. It's saying it's the middle of the night and a pipe burst, no problem. And it now knows from their website that they do 24-hour emergency plumbing. Had this business not had any information about 24-hour plumbing, then ChatGPT would not have written this post. And that's what makes ChatGPT amazing for content creation compared to paying agencies or contractors to do this. You can see here it gave a lot of really good posts, which is great. So you can just copy these over to whichever your social media posting platform is. And then you might be wondering image to go along with this. And Google, Facebook, Instagram, they all prefer to have original content. So if you have pictures that you can take from your business, so happy clients or pictures of your work or your products or your service trucks, whatever it might be, then you should actually use those when you're posting online. But let's say you don't have any of those and you wanted to post this right image to go along with it. You can use tools like Stability AI or Dream Studio or any of these AI graphic creators to create images for your social media posts. And so here, you need to use a little bit of creativity. I'm just going to put in a picture of a happy plumber fixing a toilet, and I'm going to go ahead and say Dream. And this is using Dream Studio by Stability AI. And you can see here within just a couple seconds, it's going to generate a beautiful picture that you can use for that social media post. So here within seconds, you have extremely relevant SEO optimized posts, and you have an image to go along with it. So you have everything that you need to fill out your content calendar for that week. So if you like this video and you want to learn more AI tricks on how you can better market your business or your clients' businesses, then please subscribe to this video so you can learn all about the new ways that AI can revolutionize your marketing. Thanks.